Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Imad Sohil and I'm a student at Rehan School, Foundation Level Batch 10. Today, I'll be reviewing a very special TED Talk by Adil Hashmi, which is called The Power of Dreams and Curiosity. So, Adil Hashmi, we all know Adil Hashmi for his signature style and his talks. So, in this talk, he touches on something we see in our society every day. He talks about how, as kids in Pakistan, we are full of dreams and endless questions. But as we grow up, our education system and the pressure in our society forces us into fitting in to the society. So we are told to stop asking questions and focus only on grades and just follow this safe typical path uh, and in order to achieve the degrees and those you know all those degrees, yeah. So what I loved about this talk is how real it feels. Adil doesn't give a boring academic lecture. Instead, he uses beautiful Urdu poetry, humor, and personal stories to make us realize that we are losing our inner child. He introduces the idea of unlearning, meaning we need to clear our minds of the fear of failure that society puts us into. So, if there's any criticism, it's that he doesn't give a practical checklist on how to change the system. But honestly, his goal isn't to give a policy change, it's just to wake up our conscience, like our inner selves. So, to wrap it up, this TED Talk is a must watch for our youth, parents, and teachers. It's a powerful reminder that curiosity isn't just a waste of time, it's exactly what keeps our spirit alive. It really makes you stop and think, when did we stop dreaming? Thank you.